Hello, for this video I will be shooting a room or linen spray. Now, with the use of my phone and some lighting setups and some other kinds of props that I have at my disposal. Now, the room or linen spray is more like a spray for the house, and you can also spray it on your clothing. And I've watched video commercials about room sprays, linen spray, to get ideas and inspiration. And as usual, I have a list,
So usually
a
what I
guide to
usually
help
do
me
is
out
to
with
go
this.
on YouTube,
So,
Pinterest to search
as
for
usual, again, I'm
inspiration
going
for
to
the
take
kind
you
of
through
videos that I
behind
want
the
to
scenes
create,
of how
and
I shot
I watch loads of them, most especially
each
for
clip,
videos,
so
product
you can
videos
learn one
about
or
the kind
two
of products
from
that
it.
I
And as
intend to
usual, if
shoot,
you have
and
not
then I have
subscribed
a
to my
list
YouTube
beside
channel,
me where I write
kindly
down
do
my
so. It
ideas.
will encourage me to
And
create
then
more
there
of
was
these
one of
videos
the
for you. Thank
ideas
you,
that I
and
saw, and I needed to use a
let's head straight
tile,
into
a white
it.
tile. And then I just remember that the edges of tiles are not as the design at the top, so I had to use my white cortex to paint the edge so everything looks white.
So first off, I've got the fabric laid up in the backdrop, like in the background. I'm using a normal fabric, normal simple fabric, and I put some flowers around with the products. The products are of 3 variants, and I've got my light set up, which are two soft boxes, and of course my phone. I have a mini light in front though, because sometimes I tend to feel like the front side is not well lit as I want it to be when I have two soft boxes on the side. So I got this mini portable light for viewing. So if you look at my screen, this is what I'm seeing right now with my phone. You see? So I'm just gonna start shooting. She will be pouring in, dripping down the petals while I film. And the camera, the phone is just going to be stationary while she pours downwards. I'm thinking of adding a second lighting just to make it, brighter. So you'll be dropping them over it, one after the other. Good. No, your hand is showing. Please just stay far. Okay, rest. Enough forward. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Good. And then we stop. So if we play this now, it's gonna be upside down. So when you watch it, oh, I've not played it. When you watch it, you see how the flowers drop. So when we're editing this, it's gonna be on slow motion, and it will look like the camera is moving forward slowly to the product. Yes, if you're following my video editing series, you already know what I'm talking about. So this is the second scene. As you can see, it's a linen spray, so I had to like fold up some linen, literally some towels, beside the products. And then I've got this backdrop at the back of it. All of this I got from Cindy Props. And then the pearls, I just sprinkled it around. So my video or my scene is just gonna come this way. I'm just gonna record it this way, slightly towards the right. Now, at the end of this clip, there will be someone that will pick up one of the products, and that person will still be me. So I have had to put some um, press-on nails, from some pretty press-on nails, so that my hands look nice, right? And then I chose this color because the product itself is quite colorful. Like there's blue, there's pink, there's red, and then I like the fact that I use different colors of towels beside of it. So it's not just basic. So it shows it's gonna be a colorful shoot. The first clip we had some different colors of flowers, right? So uh, my nails will be red, pretty red, just like Mademoiselle, one of the products like Mademoiselle. So I guess I should pick up Mademoiselle, right? Let me pick up Mademoiselle while shooting, since my nails are red. Oh, I've already done my nails. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me put it here. So can you see it? I've done my nails, so I'm just gonna pick up this product. My hand is not showing very well. So maybe probably I should go through the other side. Or if I like this. It's not showing as well. I thought you said no. I said like it's showing. What if I come like this? Is it okay? Yes. I just come and pick this one and pick it up. Right, press play. So let it play for a few seconds first before I come in. And then ready? Go. So this is how it's gonna play out. We have that, and then my hands come in to pick it up. Good. That's nice. I like it. So in this case, I just want to show the different types, you know. I bring one, and then the next, and then the next. So that's just around to showcase each type, right? And then I would spray on the towel, and I will spray on the pillow that I got. Where's the pillow? And then I would also spray on this pillow. Um, my space isn't entirely aesthetics, and it would make a lot of sense if I was spraying this in a bedroom on the pillows and all of that. So I'm just gonna try as hard as I can to portray a bedroom setup using this pillow, and of course have a curtain at the back. So, and I hope it works. So I'm gonna bring this in, you know, to show them the different types, right, Mademoiselle? And then the next one I'll pick it up and pick it up. So that's how it's going to be. So watch me as I make this happen. No, it's fine. So let's record. Then I pick the next one. I put it in my hand because I'm going to cut and crop it. Looking fabulous. And the next product, I'm just gonna stay stationed and then put the next product in my hand. So that in such a way that when I am filming, it's gonna look like I'm switching products one after the other, right? So that's how it will be. So if you watch it, this is just to show the different varieties that we have, you know, different varieties. There are three different types. You can see the quality of lighting that is really coming into the video, because I have one key light on this side. You can see that one key light, and then I have another light here, and then I have another small light at the bottom that illuminates the light, the products from under, so that everything is evenly lit, and I have a nice background at the back. That's it. So the next thing on the list says that I spray the towels, I spray the pillow, and of course I spray into the camera just to show the effect. So we're gonna start with Mademoiselle, which is the product that I picked up. So I'm gonna start with Mademoiselle, spraying onto the towel. So I needed to spray this facing the camera according to my script. So I'm just gonna come close like this, showing the name. That's all part of the technique. And then I spray. I'm gonna come up, down, and then I start adding spray touch. So it would be like the viewer is gonna have an almost real effect of the spray. And then all of my camera is wet. I just have to clean it. It's fine. So I clean off my camera. I move on to the next thing. The next thing was me spraying onto the towel, right? I put in the towel, like this. Adjust my tripod, and then I just spray. But I'll pick the next flavor, which is what? Fucking fabulous. Coming this way, and then I start spraying. The next effect I'm trying to create is the fact that I can spray in my living room or my bedroom. I can't think of a closer product to use to demonstrate that than a pillow, right? In my small space here. So I'm going to use a pillow. I'll spray directly into the pillow, and then the camera captures it. I bring it close like this, and then I spray, and then I drop it. The foreground gives this cozy effect. So I'm just gonna film it on a foreground that way. And what I would do is just to drop this. And that's it. Or I could just film above it, moving. Could just film above it, moving to the side. I'm just gonna create different effects, different cool effects. I have a list that I'm following, but sometimes you just recognize something really cool, and then did you see that? I'm just recording over it, so nothing too serious. And this was the one that I was dropping the product. Both are great, but how I would incorporate them in the ad is really entirely up to me. So the trick I found was to create more like a reflection down below. So with this transparent acrylic tray that I put here, there's gonna be like a reflection of whatever it is that is on it. And you guys remember the what's it called? The tile sheet that I painted with the cortex nail paint at the front. So I'm gonna place my product one after the other here. Let me put this in the middle since it doesn't have a cover, and then I put this here. So if you're looking at it, you're gonna see the reflection of the bottles down here, right? So that's what I'm actually aiming at. So I want that reflection, and I'll just film this and make it the final shot. But I don't want it to be plain like this. I will try to add some props to it so it looks really, really cool. I like the curtain effect at the back. So let me just run around and look for props to add to it just to complement the look. Thinking of placing the flower on the side of it so that it looks really nice. But probably I'll make it more aesthetic this way, and then the flower will be behind it. Yeah, that's really cool. So I'm literally going to film it this way, hence the reflection will show as I film it. So that's how I'm gonna have it. And is anything missing? No, I don't think so. So let's shoot. Oh, gradually I'm tilting my camera downwards so that the reflection will show first. And then I would go upwards a little so everything balances. Everything I'm using my hand to navigate with. And then that's it. So let's watch it. It's gradually moving. Keep the phone. So we have come to the end of it, and I'm so happy that I was able to show you the behind the scenes of what usually go on when I shoot with my phone, and this is it. Uh, I do have a list, but along the way, I do have a guideline. I do have something that I'm following, step by step guide to my shoot. Each clip, and when I record, I don't just record all at once. I record the clip, and then I record the clip, and I record the clip, and then combine all together in the CapCut app to edit. Now, I would also like to mention that I didn't just start filming my videos straight on from my camera. I had to clean my phone lens properly with a clean towel. Please, that is very, very important. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn a thing or two. And please watch my previous videos as well, because there's another video that I created for a skincare brand showing the behind the scenes. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe. This allows us to, this encourages us to create more behind the scenes for you. I mean, this is nothing serious. I just decided to show you what goes on behind the scenes when I'm trying to create product videos for reals. So I'll see you in the next series that we will have very soon in the nearest future. And thank you so much for watching.